A better thumbnail will get you more click-through rate, more watch time, more views than the regular thumbnails. Now, before you can create a good thumbnail, you have to involve some graphic designer, and they will have to design something dramatic, ecstatic. And I know everyone uses Canva, but I'm sure by now you can tell that Canva designs are pretty boring right now. So I'm going to show you how you can use AI to actually make a very beautiful professional thumbnails. The good thing about this is that you can also mimic other people's thumbnails. So I'm going to give you the right prompt to use so you don't make mistakes. I know that you probably already know how to use ChatGPT, but this prompt will help you better. So let's get started. So all you need is your ChatGPT. I believe by now everyone knows how to use ChatGPT. Alright, so now regularly this is how most people create thumbnail. Let's say we are creating thumbnail about this movie review I did on my channel, most deadly reason in the world where inmates walk barefooted and are controlled by Alright, so now regularly this is how most people do. They just ask ChatGPT create a thumbnail for this movie title for me. Now when you send ChatGPT this kind of message, ChatGPT will create just a regular thumbnails with less details, and it will be good enough. Okay, rather, instead of prompting ChatGPT this way, this should rather be the right way for you to prompt ChatGPT. So this is just like a kind of using ChatGPT to tell ChatGPT to give you the right prompt that will yield the best result. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT this. I'm going to just paste this. Okay, I said I'm creating a review based on the most deadly prison in the where inmates are not allowed to wear shoes so they can be controlled through electrocution. Give me a prompt I can use to create compelling, high graphic, action-filled thumbnail. So I'm going to send this. And let ChatGPT do the magic. So ChatGPT will provide this prompt. So you can see the prompt right here. It gives more detailed explanation on what the thumbnail should look like. Okay, better thumbnail, professional thumbnail. Now what you're going to do is to copy that prompt and paste it back into the ChatGPT, and when you paste it, this is how it looks like. ChatGPT will create this thumbnail. But there's something we forgot right here. We forgot to put the exact size. Okay, so now I'm going to make ChatGPT to resize it into 16:9. Now ChatGPT will resize the image to 16:9. Then you can go ahead to download it. Now when you download it, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Canva and just fit the image into the right size, because you can't upload it like that. The graphic is too high. If you upload it like that, it may not go through because the size of the image is too high. So you have to go to Canva, upload it into. So when you go to Canva, click on thumbnail. So when you go to Canva, load new Canva image, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna delete this like that. New Canva image. All you need to do is to tap on it and upload that particular. Let's say you just click on replace image and upload that particular thumbnail that you just created. It should be looking like this. so that everything should be looking like this. Then you can go ahead to download it and then use it for your video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.